Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nishay. I'd like to welcome you all for our presentation on heart failure prediction, heart and heartbeat anomaly detection. Now, coming to the introduction part, heart failure is a common event that is caused by cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases, CVDs, are leading cause of death globally, taking an estimated of 17.9 million lives each year, which accounts for 31% of all deaths worldwide. Cardiologists use traditional clinical methods such as electrocardiography and blood tests to detect the heart disease. The most recognized risk factor for heart failure are hypertension, coronary artery disease, diabetes, obesity, and smoking. Common symptoms are shortness of breath, fatigue, reduced ability to exercise, and so on. People with cardiovascular diseases or who are at high cardiovascular risk need early detection and management, wherein our machine learning model can be of great help. In this project, we built a model to predict heart failure and also do analysis on heart failure dataset. The patient data will fed to our model and we will have an output of percentage of chance that patient are suffering from heart failure. Now the next question arises is why we choose this particular topic. Cardiovascular diseases remain the leading cause of death worldwide. Many people with low income or workers who depends on their daily wages find it very difficult to afford these highly expensive tests. And also people who live in rural areas and places which does not have access to the multinational hospitals which consist of all the expensive medical equipments. One third of these deaths occur prematurely in people under 70 years of age. 320.8 billion people die every year due to heart failure. Over 75% of CVD deaths take place in low and middle income countries. CVD death rate of 272 per 1 lakh population in India, which is much higher than the global average of 235. Now, my friend Mohan is going to explain the existing and the proposed system.
Thank you, Nischay. Hello, everyone. I am Mohan. Now I'm going to explain about the existing system of a project. However, may the technologies improve, but still cardiovascular diseases or CVDs still remains the leading cause of the death globally. The patient has to undergo many series of tests, which is done by the cardiologist manually in order to predict the heart failure. There are many tests which are done during the heart disease detection, which include physical test, chest X-ray, ECG, and so on. These tests are in turn time consuming and they are only available at the urban areas, making it difficult for the rural people to undergo test and detection of heart disease at the earlier stages. Also, it is too expensive for the rural area people to undergo these tests. Therefore, to overcome these problems from the existing system, we are proposing a system which uses machine learning and deep learning techniques for early detection of the heart diseases. The prediction will be carried out based on old patient records who have got history of heart diseases, and their blood reports are collected and fed into our system. Input from the users are taken in form of blood test details such as blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes, cigarette smoke per day, and so on are used to predict based on the trained data. Also, heartbeat anomaly can be detected as in advance by using the audio file of the heartbeat, which is either recorded by microphone through mobiles or obtained through a phonocardiogram. In the proposed system, we try to reach the maximum efficiency by choosing the suitable classification technique and algorithm for prediction. Thank you. Now Nitin will continue the presentation.
Hello, I am Nitin. Now I am going to explain about the objectives of our project. Objectives are the goal which we plan to achieve by the end of our project. The main objective of our project will be building a suitable model to predict which has maximum efficiency and produce accelerate accurate results. The performance of different classifiers are studied and evaluated in order to get the most suitable model for prediction. Number of errors will be reduced which come from the manual system. Irrespective of any user old and or young, risk is predicted and easy tracking of data should be incorporated. The model should be easy and cost effective, which was a major problem in the existing system. Emergency survey is a critical function because early detection is very much essential for a heart disease. It can be done by giving emergency alert to the user and consulted to a doctor. The next one is methodology. The diagram shown here are the steps included in the prediction model, which shows different phases of data flow. In the first, data gathered or collected from the user, such as blood pressure, hypertension, audio file of the heartbeat, etc. In the next step, data is organized by using the normalization technique. In the next step, data preprocessing takes place. After preprocessing, data is clustered using where the unwanted data or noise in the audio file is removed. Various clustering algorithms. In the next step, data is classified using the suitable data classifier and final prediction is given to the user. In terms of his condition is normal or abnormal. If the result is serious, then the user is consulted to a doctor immediately. Thank you.